In the background with corn, that's corn relish. These 6 jars are Dixie relish. Basically corn relish without the corn. But we had a little bit left over from both. We combined them and did that. So who knows? This is a taste test on some corn relish and Dixie relish that we made months ago. I'll put the date on this video. And we just decided to taste it because we opened it and put it in the fridge. So, dang, they taste this. You always have the right words to say.
I can taste the celery.
Show this up here. Let me zoom in. Ooh, that looks good. Okay.
Okay, let's whoa.
It's vinegary.
Got a little vinegar zing. The hidden sweet in the back can taste the celery and the celery seed.
And
It's
the
got a
cabbage. I mean, they're not mushy.
Crisp.
This is
Veggies are
cabbage
crisp.
leaf.
Corn is wonderfully crisp.
The corn, everything is not mushy. And the red pieces, what are the red pieces? Bell pepper?
Bell pepper. Red bell pepper.
Roasted?
No.
They don't have a skin on, do they? Excuse my fingers.
Here's the skin.
They do have the skin on, but they're edible. There's a lot of things that we've made and the skin is just like trying to chew plastic. That is delicious. And the seasonings. I don't know what seasonings these little round things are. I'll look and I'll put the recipe in. Mustard seeds, yes.
This is good. We need to be testing everything.
Hmm.
So we know what to make more of and what to make less of.
But I don't believe in tasting things right after they're made
No.
because it's not a valid taste. Because food changes when it's canned.
That is good.
Oh, I wish this camera would pick up the crunchiness. Okay. Thank you for watching and please subscribe if you feel so inclined.